Hey guys, how to swap crypto on Kraken Pro. So if you want to exchange from one asset to another, or if you want to convert from Bitcoin to Ethereum or Ethereum to Solana or whatever, you can't do it on Kraken Pro because Kraken Pro is a trading app. Like, it's not a wallet. So you can't convert from one exchange to another. You need to use the Kraken wallet app. So the alternative way, go back to your screen and just go ahead to the Kraken wallet app and log in using your credentials, obviously. And then what you're gonna do, you gotta go ahead and hit trade at the bottom right. You're gonna see it in the purple button. And then you're gonna see a pop-up window with three options: buy, sell, or convert. So we're gonna convert because we already synced our wallet to Kraken Pro because they're both like, one app basically, but one is for wallet and investment, and the second one is for trading in follow-up, if you are a scalp trader or day trader, whatever, right? So select the last option, convert, right? And then what you're gonna do is just go ahead and convert from Bitcoin to select, any other crypto if you want. Let's say Solana. So I'm gonna enter the minimum account that Kraken allows me, right? And then convert from Bitcoin to Solana and continue, and you're gonna be able to see how much Kraken will take in fees. And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.